In this tutorial, we'll learn how to solve this Pyraminx puzzle. Ready? Let's go! The Pyraminx is a tetrahedron-shaped, 3-layered puzzle. Let's get to know this puzzle better. First, we have the corner pieces, and each of them is made out of 3 sides with different colors. Next, the center pieces are these pieces where one of its sides touches the corner piece. Lastly, we have the edge pieces where each piece has 2 sides with different colors on it. Before we start, we will learn a set of moves where we will use it often when we solve the Pyraminx puzzle. So the move goes like this: R prime, L, R, L prime. You may start from the left side as well. Then the moves goes like this: L, R prime, L prime, R. Let's start our tutorial to learn how to solve this Pyraminx puzzle. In total, there are 4 steps. The first step is the easiest, where we will solve all the 4 corners. You can simply solve it by turning each corner to match all its 3 center colors, like so. And with that, the 4 corners are solved. In step 2, we will make the yellow cross. First, we will find which side of the puzzle should be the yellow cross. It is quite easy to find it. We will look for the corner that has no yellow side. So there's a yellow side here, and there's a yellow side here, and there is no yellow side in this corner here. So this is the one. Once you have found it, it is clear that our yellow cross will be solved at the opposite side of this corner here. Hold the puzzle with the yellow cross side facing towards you. Then rotate the 3 sides until the yellow center pieces are facing you. So this is done. This is done. And this is done. So with that, the yellow cross is solved. For step 3, we will solve the 3 yellow edges. A yellow edge is solved when we have yellow on this side with the correct color on the opposite side. So for this edge piece, this side should be yellow and the opposite side is green. To solve the yellow edges, we will use the set of moves which we have learned earlier. So let's solve this yellow edge here. First, we'll find the edge piece with yellow and green. Then rotate it to the green side. You will hold the puzzle with the yellow cross facing down, like so. The yellow side of the edge piece should be facing towards you. Then apply the set of moves like so: R prime, L, R, L prime. With that, this edge is solved. It is possible that we have the edge piece at the right location, however the color is flipped. So blue should be here and yellow should be here. So the next step is to bring this edge piece up to the second layer, and you can do that by applying the same move. R prime, L, R, L prime. We have successfully brought up the edge piece to the second layer. Now to solve it, we will rotate the edge piece to the blue side like so and apply the same move again. R prime, L, R, L prime. And with that, the edge is solved. In the last scenario, our edge piece is on the left side. So the same moves apply, except that we will start from the left side. So the move goes like this. L, R prime, L prime, and R. So with that, this edge is solved as well. And all the edges on the yellow side is now solved. For the final step, there are 3 cases and 4 algorithms that we need to learn. First, rotate the top 2 layers so that the center colors are matched. The first case is called 2 edges. You can easily identify this case when you see 2 unsolved edges. So we have one here and the second one here. And this is solved. So for this case, you will position your puzzle with the 2 unsolved edges facing towards you. Then apply this algorithm. R prime, L, R, L prime, U, L prime, U prime, and L. So with that, our Pyraminx puzzle is solved. Next, we have the 3 edges case. For this case, all the 3 edges are not solved, and you can easily spot it by looking at the middle layer of the puzzle. The colors on the edges are symmetrical. To solve this case, you may position your puzzle with any of the side facing towards you. The algorithm to solve this case is really simple, but you may have to repeat it twice. Here's how it goes. R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R. So we'll do it one more time. R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, and R. With that, our Pyraminx puzzle is solved. Finally, we have our third case, and we call it the 3-2-1-H case. There are 2 variations for this case, which is either the left or the right case. You can easily identify this case by first noticing that all the 3 edges are not solved. But the key difference between this and the previous 3 edges case is that the colors of the edges are not symmetrical. So rather, 2 of the edges have one side solved, like this one and this one. And there's one edge where both sides are unsolved. Hence, we call it 3-2-1-H. So, what we have here is the left variation. To solve it, position the H that is totally unsolved at the back. Then you'll notice that the unsolved H is on the left side. With that, apply this algorithm. L, R prime, L prime, R, U, R, U prime, R prime. With that, our Pyraminx puzzle is solved. For the right variation of the 3-2-1-H case, notice that the unsolved H is now on the right side. To solve this, apply this algorithm. R prime, L, R, L prime, U prime, L prime, U, L. With that, our puzzle is solved. Alright, we've come to the end of this tutorial video. Do have fun solving your Pyraminx puzzle, and I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel so that we know you like the contents that we create. And this will also help us achieve our first 1000 subscribers for our YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching this video, and we will see you in our next video.